My name is Dr. Adrian Huang, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon in Vancouver, BC. I specialize in shoulder, elbow, hand, and wrist injuries.
My name is Justin Lee, and I'm a physiotherapist here at Rehab, Physio, and Performance. We are located in Vancouver, BC, at the corner of Commercial Drive and East 13th Avenue.
This is our Shoulder 2 protocol we've developed together to help you continue with your post-surgical or post-injury shoulder rehabilitation. Don't forget to check out our Shoulder 1 protocol, and the link is in the description. As always, please check with your doctor or physiotherapist before starting any exercise programs.
The first exercise is a wall walk. Stand in front of your wall, making sure your shoulders are facing the wall parallel to it. Walk your hand up the wall slowly as far as possible. Hold at the top for a short stretch, and then return to the starting position. The second exercise is the wall stretch. Stand in front of a wall, making sure your shoulders are again facing the wall parallel to it. Just like the wall walk, walk your hand up the wall slowly as far as possible. Hold it there and bend forward at the hips to generate a stretch. The third exercise is the shoulder external rotation stretch. Stand facing a door frame or corner of a wall, and keeping your arm at your side, bend your elbows to 90 degrees. Hold the edge of the frame with your injured hand. Keeping your elbow tucked to your side, turn away from your injured side to generate a stretch. The fourth exercise is the postural shoulder rolls. Sit with a tall posture with your hands clasped together. Roll your shoulders back and down. Squeeze your shoulder blades together behind you and hold for 3 seconds.